G'day, how you going? This is Michael from O'Donnell's Aussie Homestead. Well, this is what I've got for you today. I just want to take you through my goat paddock, and before that, past the chickens, and watch out for that rooster for me. Keep an eye out for him. And once I get over there, I'll take you. I want to take you up the top to my where I'm putting a row of bottle brushes. The native birds in Australia love them for their pollen, whatever you like to call it. So I'm putting a whole row in. They're bright red. You should like it. Let's go. Young chooks are hanging out down the bottom there. They get underneath. They like to get where the big chooks can't get, and so they don't get picked on and have a good time. Now there he is. There's my pack dog. Mistake. Yeah. You keep an eye out on him. Coming in here. Hello. How you going? No din here for you today. Oh, what's all this? Somebody's hungry for a nibble. Okay. Well, before we go up, we'll give him a little nibble. How about that? Okay. Okay, don't knock me over. Oh, yes. Oh. No matter how much you give a goat, they always want more, always want more. But that's okay. Just a little update. It's the Billy the Kid is okay at the moment. He hasn't got any worse, but hasn't got any better. We've been giving him electrolytes and stuff like that. Yeah, hopefully he'll recover. Come for a lick, have you? Finger licking good. Anyway, let's get going. So what I've done caught on a dandelion. So what I've done so far is just took all the grass off the top. I poisoned it 2 days ago in case I missed the spot. And then I've come through now, I'll get it through in a rake and just give it a rake over. Then I'm gonna drill some holes down and put some a thing called a bottle brush. It's an Australian plant. The one I'm getting is a vivid red. Now, this is right beside my red maples from Canada. So red and red should look really good. Well, now that I've got it all leveled out, smoothed out, drilled the holes, I'm going to turn around now, get the little bottle brush, put some manure on the bottom, rabbit manure. Hey, it's already pelletized, and stick it in and put some water on it, and it should be good to go. putting water on there, as you see. Move you up a little bit closer, and then water all these plants. Boy, it's hot here. Oh. Anyway, put a few pegs in along there just to mark them so people don't mow it down with the highway mowers. They come along the side of the roads and they mow it clean, and hopefully that'll make them notice it. That's why I didn't leave it bushy looking. Anyway, if you like what you're seeing, give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe and ring that notification bell. And if you get the opportunity, share it on your social media. Give it to friends. They'll appreciate it. Thank you. Catch ya.